What's going on, everyone? Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to learn how to do this really cool Instagram effect in Photoshop. It's for having the photo slide seamlessly where there's no break in it. It's called the carousel effect. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our width and make it 10,800, and our height we'll put it 1350. So hit OK, and you'll see I have a really long canvas, but you're going to understand why in a second. So first, go to View, go to New Guide Layout, and have your columns at 10 because this allows for the 10 different photos that you can post in Instagram in a sequence. So this allows you to kind of visually see it in Photoshop so you can place things accordingly. So hit OK when you have that 10 number put in. And this looks cool now, but we're gonna have to take our slice tool and slice from guides. And this allows it to be exported in 10 different photos so you can put them all at once in that same post. And now that we have that, go to filter, go to view, New Guide Layout, and instead of columns, unselect it and go to rows. And you're gonna have 2 rows, but instead of the gutter, put it 1080. And this allows you to have a safe zone, especially if you're trying to put text in the bottom or top or wherever. So hit OK once you have that, and now you have your basic layout and your template. So what we're gonna do is now just go to wherever you have your photo saved. So I have a few here. I'm just gonna choose a random 10. It doesn't have to kind of be the same, but I'm just choosing a random few just to show how it can work. So let's import them. So these are gonna all come in. I have like 7 of them. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna have them placed, and ideally you want to have them overlapping slightly. So let's just say I have this here, I have this slightly here. I'm placing it very randomly because we're just trying to show the effect here. And you know, it looks cool. If you have more of a theme, it looks even better, but I'm just doing this for the effect. So now we have our basic layout, and now you want to export it to Instagram. So what you're gonna do, hit export, save for web legacy, and then you're gonna see it has all this stuff. Make sure it saves in JPEG, and then just save it where you think you'd want to have your thing saved. So I'm just gonna save it on my desktop for now. So let's just say carousel, and then we're gonna hit OK, and it's gonna export them. So if I go to my desktop, you will see images. You'll see all of them post at the same time. So if you put this on Instagram, if you post them in sequence, it'll slide seamlessly. So if you like this video, please comment down below and like so that other people can see it, and subscribe so you can be part of this journey. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye.